No. So, guys, my sister got a new cat from... Did you got the cat from Edmonton, Mimi?
No.
Where you got it from?
I don't know.
So
Mom got it.
So...
Go hide.
What? Who? So guys, my mom got a cat, and then so guys, supposed to be. Where's the cat? Where's Hollywood? Yeah, her name's Hollywood. Hollywood. So the cat is named Hollywood, but he's like someone down here. Psst, 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 psst. Where? Okay, that's me making cat noise. Wait. Hollywood. Hollywood. Where? I don't know if she's a boy or girl. Okay, that's Hollywood. Where is she?
Wait a minute.
What are you watching? Where is she? So guys, the cat's right here. So I found the cat. So guys, I found the cat. He's right here. Wait, tell the cat. Hollywood, wait, can you bring the cat over here?
I can't.
Mimi, stop it! Stop it! I'm gonna go to mom. What do you guys had? How do I hold on? How do I hold Hollywood?
You just hold him like.
Oh, guys,
You
look.
just hold him like June. Okay.
Guys, look. Hollywood. He's right here. Ew, did he poop?
What?
Oh, no.
It's just a head. Like that one spider.
So, guys, I don't know if you can see him, but he's like.
It's a her.
But he's like.
Let's go.
Oh, to go, okay. So, she's down here. Let me get her.
Cheeto.
Remember that cat, Cheeto? So, guys. Oh, sorry. Look, here's the cat. He kind of looks like that cat from VI Cat. Remember that video? Yeah, remember that video called VI Cat? Yeah, that was the funniest video. It's like the second popular video on my YouTube channel. Oh, he likes me. Well, because wait, how long did you have? How long did you have this cat for?
A day ago.
My sister keeps watching Gorilla Tape. I didn't know why. Well, look at her. Look at the cat. Oh, she's so cute. She's licking herself, which is good. What a VR box cat. It's at my dad's house. The cat
He
is
has food.
Who? Oh, the cat? Hollywood? Mm-hmm. Wait, does she come? Imagine she came from Hollywood. Yeah, that could have been cool. Well, I don't know. So cool. Cute. You scared? Huh? What do you see? What do you see? Yeah, you're so small. You're not even big. You're not even bigger than the BFV. What do you want? No, I don't want to get copyrighted. Like some of my videos keep getting copyrighted. Dang! Let me stop the video. This video might get copyrighted because the sound and the. So I'll tell you. Okay. Wait, I'm gonna get copyrighted. Like I copied the videos because yeah. Okay, so come, Hollywood, come. You're coming with me. Oh, Hollywood, don't get scared. She's all the way in there. Oh my God. She's all the way in there. Someone can you? Mimi, if you see Hollywood going down your thing, try just leave her in there. So don't pull your seat down, cause she might, yeah. Okay, yes. Go. Loose. Come. Why are you not coming? I have some food. Come on. Why is the cat not following me? Come on. You don't have to be scared. Yes.
Can I play Ghost in the Graveyard?
Huh?
I played Ghost in the Graveyard.
Oh, that's actually pretty cool. Oh my goodness.
Okay, so guys,
That
I
was
found
so
the cat. Again. Look. No. Okay, well, bye guys. This video might be copyrighted, so bye.